Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Attio and start using it to manage your contacts and workflows more efficiently. Now first, go ahead and open your Claude, and on this menu on the chat, all you have to do is just click this plus icon, choose connectors, then choose add connector. Then from here, you want to look for Attio in the list. So you'll have here the connectors directory. So all you have to do is simply click this and you'll be asked to connect. So all you have to do is simply choose connect and sign in to your Attio account. And of course, approve the permissions so Claude can access your workspace. Now, once connected, Claude can now interact with your Attio data. And the best part is you don't need to navigate through menus. You can just type what you want. For example, you can ask Claude to create a new contact, update deal information, or pull up a list of your latest ads. And basically, that's it. Once Claude is connected to Attio, and you can manage your CRM, update records, and analyze data all just by typing simple commands right over here. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!